for so long. And they took it down. I didn't even see it yesterday. And they were taking it down. Huge tree. But everybody's trying to clean up now before the storm months come. So they took it down today. There's a person at my front door. It's me at my front door. Yeah, that's my neighbor. She is she's 90 years old. And you know, she fell. She got up in the morning, was trying to go downstairs and fell. And I think it happened to me in Georgia. Years ago, my daughter bought her first house, fresh out of college. This girl wanted to own a home, and we got it done. And I went there, and you know what? I was trying to walk down the stairs, and I slipped because the house was built with, instead of bringing the handrails all the way up to the top of the stairs, the handrails were only down to like midway on the stairs. And my people got up and was going downstairs and just didn't slip, just my foot was dry, I think. And I started sliding down the downstairs. And I slid down, and luckily I grabbed on. When I got down to where the bars were. And that saved me from going to the bottom of the stairs. And so all this time I never really cared to live in a house where the bedrooms are upstairs and the kitchen and living area downstairs. So I was happy when I got my house. Okay, it's a ranch, so everything is on the same floor. So whenever I get up at 3 in the morning and need a cup of tea or some water, I just walk straight there, no stairs. My only stairs are down in the place to go down to wash, but not for any basic stuff. So she fell, and when she fell, nobody was there until finally when the children comes, then they were able to take her to the hospital. She got rehab and was out there talking with me the other day, She came out, she said, I don't want to sit in the house, I just want to be out. So she was out on the steps with me, and we chatted for a long time. So they took down that big tree because leaves to rake in the fall, and in the hurricane season here, then it's a lot of wind. So they took it down. They are cleaning up. So for everything we give thanks, guys. Every single thing we give thanks, and we keep on moving. Thanks for watching.